stop scrolling if you are still doing this beauty trends. You might as well be making the same mistake as everyone else, and it's time for you to stop it. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Chinny. Today we are breaking down 7 beauty trends that should end, because some of these are outdated and some are harmful, while some are just cringe. So let's dive into the video immediately. Number 1 trending on my list is over contouring, and of course we all love Instagram cheekbones, but harsh contouring ages you and look unnatural. Of course, soft glowy is the new chic. My number 2 trending list is extreme eyebrow lamination. Your brows are not Unibrows factory. They fear God, and this is why natural brows are back. So what do you think? Number 3 trending on my list is glossy everything. Lip gloss in 2026 is absolutely fine, but layering 4 different glosses? No, thank you. Number 4 on my trending list is heavy fake lashes. Please don't come for me. I know I do that same mistake too, and I know I fix it too. Those heavy fake lashes, they look dramatic too, but sometimes less is more, or better, opt for a natural lashes instead. Number 5 in my trending list is that is DIY chemical peels at home. Trust me guys, your skin will thank you if you leave all these things for professionals. Number 6 on my trending list is choppy bangs. Oh my god, like, are you guys for real? They are cute, but let's be honest, just wait, hear me out first. They are highly maintenance and very flattering. The 7th trending on my list is over plucking your eyebrows. Guys, in your 20s, oh, hey, over plucking your eyebrows for what? Allow your natural shape line to shine. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Oh, brows are sisters, they are not twins. Allow it to breathe, okay? Don't over pluck it, let it rest. That is all. I beg, which of these trends are you guilty of trying? And of course, comment below. Let's spill the tea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more beauty tips and hack from Chinny. Till my next one guys, and I can't wait to see you all. Bye guys, I love you all.